Hello and welcome back to DXB. Today we are almost at the end of today's episode, but worry not, you can catch this episode and all our others of this season and many more on YouTube. All you've got to do is head on down to youtube.com/Dubai1.
Plus, please follow us on our socials to keep up to date with us. If you'd like to find us on Instagram, please search for Dubai One TV. Please don't forget, we are live every night, both on your TV and online, dubai1.ae at 8:30 p.m. every night.
Indeed we are. And tune in tomorrow as we're finding out about the parent-friendly label that's doing the rounds, why it was created, the vision behind it, and the brands working the hardest to, well, receive it. But now, as promised, we are heading down to the fridge. We've got some music for you to play us out. It's from July and the band, so over to you. Good night.